Watch this video before you start selling your artworks on redbubble.com. So the first website that I have for you is called Teen Public. Now, Teen Public is very similar to Redbubble and has some of the problems that I have also faced on Redbubble, but its customer support is better than Redbubble. Like, if you're having some issues and you report those issues, they will try to fix that immediately. But sometimes Redbubble does not do that. It does not care for their users, but Teen Public does. So it is very simple, and the sign up process is also exactly the same. You just simply sign up onto their website, and they'll ask you a few different questions. You'll answer those questions, and then you'll be able to upload your design and choose whichever products they want your design to be on. So there's that at least. But also beware, just like Redbubble, they also have copyright infringement problems. So for example, if you're trying to make a product, so your design which is already copyrighted, and if you post it over here, it'll probably get copyrighted and it'll get taken down. So beware of that as well. And another great thing about Teen Public also gives you $13 commission, but for the first few weeks. After 3 weeks, your commission increases because that is the selling point. And once that selling period is over, your commission will be increased to $15, $16, or even $17, depending upon how good your product sells. So I highly recommend Teen Public. And now for the second website. So the second website that I have for you guys is called Zazzle.com. Now, Zazzle.com is very awesome. It does not have any sort of problems like Teen Public or Redbubble, but the only issue you will have to face in Zazzle.com is trying to get in. Basically, everything about Zazzle is better than Teen Public and Redbubble. So what I mean by that is that it does not have any copyright infringement issues. It does not have commission issues. It does not have customer support issues. Its customer support is on point, and it is very popular. And as you can already see, their overall website is even better. I would say, in my opinion, is better than the other two websites. So the sign up process is very simple. You just simply register by clicking on the register button, and over here you can just simply continue with either Google, with Facebook, or Apple. So I'm going to go ahead and continue with Google. And once you've signed in, you just simply click on create, and over here you will be able to create different products. For example, you will be able to create different text elements or blank products or illustration, background, social media templates, or Zoom background, basically any stuff that you like. You will also be able to create different types of posters as well. You can create wrapping paper, you can create bags, t-shirts, serving trays, water bottles, hats. You can create pens, books, and textbooks, and all these different items that are shown over on Zazzle.com. So I would highly recommend Zazzle.com. It is one of the best sites out there, and it is very awesome. So let me just go ahead and briefly show you guys how you can create stuff on it. So simply click on create, and over here just select whichever product you want to create. So let's just say we want to create a blank product. So click on view. So over here we have a lot of different blank products, and we will be able to upload our design onto these products. So let's just go ahead and choose the clothing and accessories category, and over here let's just select t-shirts. Now over here, as you can see, we have basic dark t-shirt is going for $17.45, 15% off with code August invite. So choose whichever design you want. As you can see, it is very simple. Let's just pick this one over here, and as you can see, it is blank. Now over here we will be able to add our own image. So simply click on add image. Over here you can drag and drop your image over here, or you can just simply upload your image by choosing it onto your computer. So let me go ahead and choose that. So I don't have a lot of image, but I have this, so let's just take this for a design. Now as you can see, we can drag and resize the design as much as we want. We can stretch it out a bit. Let's just say this is our design, and let's just see the preview of how it will look like. That is basically it, guys. That is how you basically customize your design. So you have a lot of different options. You have filters, you can change the image if you want. You've got crop options, you've got the fill options, you've got scale, rotation, flips. Then if you click on more, you've got all these different options that you can check on, and you can also remove the whites from the images, such as the background. Now the background isn't white, so it didn't remove it completely, but there is an option like that as well. And over here you have align, you have tiling, you have guidelines, guidelines as well, so that you can better center your product. I would recommend using guidelines. It really is amazing tool. And once you have done customizing your image or logo, simply click on done, wait for the product to load up, and once it's loaded up, as you can see, this is how it will look like. And once you've done that, just simply click on add to cart, and that is how you create your own design, and then you can just simply buy that design. And as you can see, we have all these different options about our design. We have button keychains, we have buttons, we have aprons, we have trucker hats, we have tote bags, well, all these different options. And that is basically it, guys. Now let's move on to the third and final website that I have for you guys, which is called Merch Amazon. Now Merch Amazon is very popular, guys. When it first came out, no people didn't really know about it, and many people skipped out on it, and they thought that it is a normal website and that people could sign up onto it whenever they wanted. But that was just its test phase. So basically that was just their test phase. Basically now signing up onto this website is very difficult. Like you can sign up onto this website, but you'll have to wait, and sometimes they'll say that there is no vacancy and then you cannot sign up at the moment. But I would recommend that definitely trying to sign up on it, keep it in the bookmarks, try to sign up on daily, because unlike all the websites that I've previously mentioned, the commission rates on Merch by Amazon is unbelievable, guys, because it is by Amazon. So of course it is going to be very lucrative, and it is going to be very successful. So I definitely highly recommend Merch by Amazon, and it doesn't even have all the issues like you have on Redbubble or T-shirts or Teen Public. There is no copyright infringement issues. You have no commission issues. As I said before, they have a very high commission rate. There is no lack of customer support. Their customer support is amazing, and the list goes on and on. But the only issue, as I said before, is signing up onto their website. It is very difficult to sign up on Amazon. Like when it was brand new, you could sign up onto it and you could easily sell your products online. As of right now in 2021, it is very difficult. Because a lot of people wanted to get into it, and Amazon didn't want to ruin it by allowing anyone into their website. So they picked the most talented and the most skilled people. And a lot of those people sometimes leaves Merch by Amazon, and then there is a vacancy available, and if you time it right, you can basically sign up onto this website and you will be able to earn hundreds and thousands of dollars. So that is it for this video, guys. I showed you 3 different alternatives for Redbubble. So you have Teen Public, which is similar to Redbubble, but it is almost better than Redbubble. Then you have Zazzle, which is very amazing. I highly recommend it, but the only problem is actually getting in. Other than that, it is very amazing. And then finally we have the number 1 spot, Merch by Amazon. Again, if you can sign up onto this website and get into this market, then you will not need any other site, guys. And as I said before, there are other websites as well, but I only chose the ones that were free and the ones that were truly amazing and unique in something. So that is it for this video, guys. But before I end this video, let me just show you a bonus website that I think is very amazing. It is very unique. It is unlike any other website that you guys have probably seen. So this unique website is called Displate.com. Now Displate.com is a very amazing website where you basically sell posters, but these aren't normal posters. These posters are made out of metal sheets that you basically stick onto the wall with the help of magnets. And because of these magnets, you won't be able to ruin your wall or ruin the posters. Like if you have multiple posters, you can just simply swap them out easily. And as you can see, we have these amazing designs. We have designs with animals, we have vintage and anime stuff, we have video games, we have amazing designs, we have posters related to movies and stuff like that, posters related to games, and just unique different designs. And again, the problem with this website, there is no problem with this website, guys, but one, and I will tell you that in a minute. But first, let me just tell you about all the pros. So the pros of this list goes on and on. They have amazing commission, they have amazing customer support, and you don't even have to worry about selling your product because there are about 7 million users online onto this website, and Displate always recommends new users to people because that way they can grow their community. So now let me tell you about the small issue that is with Displate. you have to submit your own portfolio onto Displate, and if they think that you are legit and that you are truly talented, then and only then will they select you. And that whole process may take up to 10 or 20 days or even a month. So you have to be patient when you're working with Displate, because these guys are very professional and passionate about their work, and they won't just let anyone onto their website, onto their platform. So you have to be very talented, and you have to be patient, guys. But if you do manage to get onto it, trust me guys, you are going to be able to earn thousands of dollars every single month. And that is it for this video, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notification, guys. And if you think that there are